You are audible, Nitya. Yes. I'll share the screen. See, those who are new, those who do not know how to go and watch the recordings, I'll show you where to go. We have a channel called Chanakya. So in the Chanakya tutorials, if you go through a left side, look at this playlist. In a playlist, you can find out uh, class 9 math 2022-23. Okay. And here number system lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, polynomials 2, doubt clarification, polynomial lecture 1, polynomial lecture 1, session 1, session 2, polynomial lecture 2, polynomial lecture 3, and today we are going to go with the fourth lecture. Understood? Where to go and watch?
Yes, sir.
In playlist, you can just find it out. Okay. Yes. Without any delay, let's get started now.
Yes, sir.
How many of you revised the notes? How many of you revised the notes? Guys, are you here?
I cannot hear you, sir. Can you tell?
No, I'm saying that I'm asking that how many of you revised the notes?
We did, sir.
Okay. So let me revise you one more time. See, remainder theorem is nothing but what, beta? Remainder theorem is what basically? See, for suppose any polynomial, if a polynomial p of x is divided by the binomial, any binomial, let's say that, for suppose, let me write here. Remainder theorem. If a polynomial p of x is divided by the binomial x minus a, then the remainder obtained is p of a. This is a polynomial theorem says. For suppose example, p of x, any polynomial, let's take, you take x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 10. So this is the example I take. I took this example. My goodness. Okay, this is the example I took. Now look at this here. Any polynomial you take, it is divided by the binomial x minus a. That should be a linear polynomial. Then the remainder obtained by this one. Okay, we are dividing any polynomial with a linear. Then remainder obtained is what? I mean, obtained remainder is what? P of a. So basically, look at this here. This is a polynomial given to you, and is divided by x minus 2. Then what is the remainder? Then the remainder is what? The remainder obtained, remainder is p of simply 2. Correct? Understood my point? Guys, here x minus a have, so you have to basically equal to the 0 beta. So what do you get? You get x is equal to 1. I substituted x is equal to 1 in the place of x. That's it. That x is equal to a, I substitute in the place of x. That is the definition of the polynomial. I mean, that is the definition of the remainder theorem. Now this is a p of x given to you divided by this one. What I have to do here? Equate that with a 0. That becomes what? X is equal to 2. So what I have to do here, beta? In place of x, I have to substitute 2. So 2 cube minus 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 10. Okay. 8 minus 16 minus 14 plus 10. So how much you get here?
Sir, minus 12.
Minus 12 you get. This is your reminder.
Yes, sir.
This is your reminder. So this is the by using remainder theorem you can find out remainder very easily. Okay, very easily you can find out remainder. Hope you got the point. Understood my point, children? Any doubts? Any doubt, guys?
No doubt, sir. Understood.
Yes.
No, sir, sir. No doubt, sir.
Yes.
Understood.
I'll tell you one more thing here. Shortcut. Shortcut to factorize cubic polynomial. Factorize to find out the roots of cubic polynomial. I'm telling you shortcut. The shortcut method name is synthetic method. What is that method? Synthetic method. Okay. Everyone, listen to me carefully. So let me copy the same polynomial here. Okay, so divided by x minus 2 given to you, right? Now let's say that, see, we need to find out the roots. What I'm doing here, see, in the first, what we learned here, remainder theorem. By using remainder theorem, I just found the remainder of the polynomial, right? When you divide the given polynomial with x minus 2, I got this remainder. Okay, now by using synthetic method, you can factorize cubic polynomial. How can you factorize this? First of all, you take x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1,
Like by assuming like maybe
yes.
1. Yes, sir.
If you
Try
substitute,
with 1 minus 1,
1 second. If x is equal to 1, you substitute 1 cube minus 4 into 1 minus 7 into 1 plus 10. Okay, 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 7 plus 10.
Sir, you must get 0, then the answer will be correct.
So x
Yes,
minus x
sir.
is equal to 1 is a factor. X is equal to 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So how can you say x is equal to 1 is nothing but then x minus
X minus 1.
1 is a factor of this one. Correct?
Yes,
Why?
and
Because,
then you have to divide.
yes,
that
why?
by
Because
that.
look at this here, x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Why x minus 1 beta? Tell me. So why? Because x, if you shift this 1 to the left hand side, it becomes x minus 1, right?
Yes, sir, it will become 1, so x minus 1.
Now what I'm taking here, here x is equal to 1 is a factor, right? Sir, why should we take 1 only? You can take any other factor beta, which is giving you 0. Look at this here, giving me 0. If you substitute that particular value in a given polynomial, you must get 0. So that is going to be your root. So here 1 is a factor. So I took 1 here. Okay, you make a line like this. You write all the coefficient of x values. Look at this. Write all the coefficient. X cube coefficient is what? 1. X square coefficient is minus 4. X coefficient is minus 7 and constant as it is. Put one more line like this. Okay, this one I am bringing as it is beta. Listen to me carefully. This one I am writing as it is. So I wrote 1 here. Okay, now I am multiplying this 1 into 1, which is 1. Okay, now minus 4 plus 1. Adding these two, how much? After adding these two, minus 3 I am getting. Again, 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3, you write how much? Minus 3. Okay, adding these two, how much you get? Minus 10. Again, 1 into minus 10, how much beta? Minus 10. Adding these two, how much beta? 0. 0. Okay, now what happened here? I need to write a quadratic equation by using these coefficients. Okay, I need to write a quadratic equation. How? 1 into x square minus 3 into x minus 10. Okay, this is a quadratic polynomial I need to write. I need to write a quadratic polynomial by what? By using these coefficients. Now how can I factorize this? Now I know that factorization of this thing very easily, right?
Sir,
Very
between
see, 1 second, I'll explain you. Please, after everything you just ask me, don't interrupt, please. So minus 3x can be written as what? Minus 5x beta plus 2x minus 10. Correct? Now can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, splitting middle term method. Now taking x common from the first two terms, I get this. Plus taking 2 common, x minus 5. Again x minus 5 common beta. Then what you left with? X plus 2. So x minus 5, x minus 2, and therefore
X
the factor.
minus 1.
Wait. Therefore, the factors of the given p of x, or what was that? X is equal to 1, right? X is equal to 1 can be written
X
as
minus
x
1.
minus 1, right? So x minus 1, x minus x plus 2, and x minus 5. So these are the factors of the given polynomial. What I told, look at this here. So the given polynomial is what, beta? Cubic polynomial, right? The given polynomial is a cubic polynomial. Then you will be having 3 roots. Okay. This is the given polynomial is a cubic polynomial. Then you will be having what? 3 roots like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Understood my point? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Understood, sir. No doubts.
Very, very simple, beta. Okay. So this is synthetic method to factorize.
Sir, like, can you explain the coefficient, like the part where you took the coefficient? I don't understand that.
Which one? That pink color circle?
Yes, sir, you took the coefficient.
Sir?
Yes. 1 second. Yes. Yes. Tell
Sir,
me.
I didn't understand the way you frame the equation, sir.
Which one? Where?
This x square plus minus 3x minus
Yes. That is what I'm going to
I
explain
didn't
now.
understand the way you frame the equation.
Yes. That is what I'm going to explain. Look at this here. See, beta, what I did here is the given polynomial is what? Cubic polynomial, right? From that cubic polynomial, I'm making quadratic polynomial. Okay. From that cubic polynomial, I'm making quadratic polynomial. See, by using cubic polynomial, I wrote these coefficients. I took one random number here, which is giving me 0. I wrote here. I just wrote. Everyone understood how I wrote this, right? That blue color line, the blue color circle, everyone understood, right? How I got those values?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, I told you to explain that only, sir.
Yeah. No. I'm asking this. How you didn't understand how I got these values?
Yes, sir.
You didn't understand?
Yes, I didn't understand. So
Okay.
I know by division, not by this method.
Okay, no problem. Look at this here. You know how you understood how I wrote this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, first of all, this number, look at it, this is a coefficient of x cube. This is a coefficient of x square. This is coefficient of x. This is constant. Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, my first step is what here? Listen to me carefully. This one is the right, this one, coefficient of x cube. Let me bring as it is without any change. I brought here. I wrote that one as it is. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what I did here is I got one number, right? That number into this number. 1 into 1. I got that answer I wrote here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what, after multiplying them, adding these two numbers. -4 plus 1, how much? -3. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now again, what you have to do? You this into this, you multiplied. Next, you got -3, right? Again, -1 into -3. How much? -3 here. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Again, adding these two, -10. Okay. Again, 1 into -10, how much? -10. Adding these two.
Oh,
0.
sir, like doing all the steps on the left side, we can do it simple by this process on the right, sir?
Yes. So making that cubic polynomial into quadratic polynomial. Sir, why you are making into quadratic polynomial? So that I can factorize that very easily by using splitting middle term method. Now look at this here. This is coefficient of x square. So x square. This is coefficient of x. So -3x. This is constant. So then where is coefficient of cube goes? But coefficient of cube you just forget out. You understood my point? Look at this here. How many terms you got here? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms only you got. So 0 is negligible here. I just left with only 3 terms. So by using those 3 terms, I'm writing this as x cube, this as x, and this as constant. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
So I framed it as a quadratic, then I factorized it.
Sir, I didn't understand how you took 1 and -3 as variables and -10 as a constant.
Here -10, right? I use +10. Yes, beta, look at this here. That is the method. That is a shortcut. There is nothing to worry much. Look at this here. I had cubic polynomial, correct? I had cubic polynomial. So basically,
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. Yes, we didn't learn splitting middle term method for polynomial, cubic polynomial, correct? We do not know how to split by using middle term method for cubic polynomial. We know for only quadratic polynomial. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So cubic polynomial, from the cubic polynomial, I'm just converting into quadratic. How? Like this. So that I can factorize it very easily. How I got this pink color box here? From these numbers which I got here. Getting my point? For suppose, look at this here, beta.
So like if we get any three numbers also, we should write as x square
Yes.
plus minus 3x minus 10 only.
Not for any number, beta. Look at this here. No. Whatever the number you get, this is x square coefficient, this is x coefficient, this constant. Whatever the number you get, x square, x constant. Understood?
If we don't get 0 and we get remainder something like 1 or 2,
Then that is invalid method. Definitely you will get 0. For getting 0 only we are using this synthetic method. You have to get.
So like when you tried with 1,
Yes,
then
yes.
factor will come. That's why it should be divisible.
Yes, that is divisible. Look at this here. When you took 1 here, beta, definitely you are getting 0 here. Then last term definitely will be 0. Understood my point, Nitya?
yes sir.
Here you took 1 in such a way that it is a factor. You took this 1. Why did you take that 1? Why? Because by checking 1 I'm getting 0, which means x is equal to 1 is a factor of this polynomial.
Sir,
Okay.
if 1 doesn't 0 doesn't come, then we'll take -1 or some other number.
Yes, some other number here. We'll go with some other number. X is equal to 2 will try, x is equal to -1 will try, x is equal to some other number will try, and we'll try until we get 0, then we'll proceed
Yes,
forward.
sir.
Understood my point? We'll try until
Yes,
we get 0 here, then we'll go with this method. Understood my point? Shall we solve one more question?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at this here. So P of x.
So sorry to interrupt, but can you just move it up a little? I just want to copy the part.
See, you do not worry. Everyone look at this here. Do not focus on copying the things. Listen to me. Do not focus much on copying the things. You have to listen. At the same time, you have to copy. I'll be sharing these notes in the Google Classroom. You do not at all worry about this. Okay. You don't worry about this. I'll be sharing these notes in Google Classroom again. You can download. You may download over there, and you can just write it afterwards. But let's try to solve many questions as many questions as possible. Okay. Now factors of this. Find the factors of this.
So this is also cubic, right, sir?
Sorry.
So this is also cubic only.
Then cubic only. Then what type of polynomial you thought? This is cubic polynomial only, Shreyasi.
No, sir. I mean, like, I meant to ask, like, we can take another one also, sir. We can take the quadratic also.
No. You see, this is a cubic polynomial, right? First of all, what you have to do? You try with a trial and error method. Substitute x is equal to 1. Whether it is giving 0 or not, impossible. It will not give 0 if you substitute x is equal to 1. Let's try x is equal to -1. Check. 3 into -1 cube plus -1 whole square plus 2 into -1 plus 5. So here -3 plus 1 -2 plus 5.
So
Okay.
it doesn't give.
It doesn't give. So x is equal to -1 is also not giving. X is equal to 2. Substitute. So 3 into 2 cube.
So it will never give, sir, because
Yes.
it's plus only.
Yes. So it is not possible. Correct? Yes. Now let's try. We'll do one thing. Then I'll give one number here. We'll do with this. Okay. You try with 4 here. Okay. We'll change the question. I will try
Sir,
4.
any tip to, sir, we need to guess its factor, right, sir? Why you have to do that, sir? Isn't there any other method?
Sorry. Yes. Tell me.
So like we have to guess like whether like x equals to 1 will come or no, or like anything will like that, sir. Why do we have to do that?
Why? Because to know one factor, if you know one factor, look at this here. The given polynomial is what? Cubic polynomial, right? In a cubic polynomial will be having how many factors? 3 factors or 3 roots. Correct? If you guess one root, how do you guess that? By substituting any one random value, and you get, if you are getting that 0, yes, I got one root. That is how you conclude. Okay. But remaining 2 roots, for getting remaining second and third root. First root you will be getting by guess. Second and third root, what you will be doing? You convert the polynomial into quadratic, then you factorize so that you will get two roots, remaining two roots. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and no problem. You don't
So
worry.
like, can we do like division once we get the factor? I do not understand that.
You can do that
converting into
also.
quadratic.
You can do with long division also better. Look at it. Say now x is equal to -1 is satisfying. So x plus 1.
Yes,
I need
yes,
yes.
sir.
Yeah, 1 second. I need to divide this polynomial with x plus 1. You will get to know that quotient. You will get the quotient. Factorize that quotient. Same answer you will get it. Let's see. Shall we check? Children, are you understanding here? Look at this here. This is a polynomial I got. Now, if x is equal to 1 minus 1, this polynomial is satisfying. 0, it is giving me 0. So, what I have to take now? -1 I have to write here. Put a one line. -1. First of all, you write the coefficients. What are the coefficient of x cube? X cube coefficient is 3. X square coefficient is 1. X coefficient is 2. And constant as it is. Now, put one more line here. Okay. Yes. Now, one root I got, which is what? -1. X is equal to -1 is a root of the given polynomial. X is equal to -1 is a root is nothing but beta. It can be written as what? X plus 1, isn't it? So x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial, isn't it? People, are you able to understand? Yes. Now, here this 3 I have to write as it is. Whatever the first number you may get beta, that need to be as it is. You write that as it is. Okay. Now -1 into 3, how much beta? -3. Okay.
-2.
Now adding these two, how much? -2. Correct? Yes.
-2.
Now this into this beta again. -1 into -2, how much? +2. Adding this to how much beta? Yes. Adding this to how much beta? 4. Now -1 into 4, how much beta? -4. Now adding this to how much? 0. Check. Last number
So
definitely.
like, can you do division method like the same?
Will do. Wait. Let us learn one by one perfectly. Let us do like that also, no problem. So the one I got 0. Now what happened now? So I got one root here. Now by using these three numbers, I'll be writing quadratic. How? 3x square minus 2x plus 4. So how do you split this? Factorize this now. So 8, right? How do you write this? 4x plus 2x. Sorry, 4th is 12, right? 12 is nothing but minus 6x. 12. How can you write this as 12, right? 12 is nothing but. How do you split the middle term?
So first we divide the last term.
Huh?
We first multiply the last terms.
Yes, that is 12x square minus 2x minus 2x. How do you write this? How do you split minus 2x as? 2, 6. 2, 6.
So 2 and 6 will come minus 4x. No,
Yes,
sir.
minus 4x. So
Sir, I'm not understanding, sir, the splitting, sir. Can you tell it
yes.
again?
Here splitting is 1 second. We will go with that minus b. Let me try. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 AC 48. Yes, but this is not like, you cannot factorize this by using splitting middle term method. We are not getting this. So now let's change the question. I took some random question. I just framed myself. I took some random question. Now you.
Sir, can you do the division? I don't get the quadratic polynomial. The remainder is coming 4 for me.
Yes, that is what. That is the remainder is coming 4, right? That is the
Yes,
reason we are
sir.
unable to split here. That is the reason we are unable to split here also. So then we have to change the question. We have to frame the question in a nice manner. The question itself we framed wrong. Then how can we frame this? Yes, we can frame. Tell me any random question. Let's frame that. Wait, you can just very simple, let me give you.
So maybe you could go with R.D. Sharma or something, and you'll find a lot
No.
of.
It is completely fine, but I took random question. No, but you can take any question. It is not a method is whatever the method I thought 100% that is correct. You need not worry at all. I'll just tell you. Now, look at this. Everyone write this. 2x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 7. Okay. Now let's do this. Let's substitute x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 1, possible or not? 2 minus 5 plus 3 plus 7. How much? Not possible. X is equal to 1 is not possible. It is not giving me 0. Now x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. 2 into 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 7. So 8 to 16, 20 plus 6 plus 7. Check. Is
No,
it possible?
sir.
It is not possible.
No. No, sir, because 6 plus 7 is.
Yeah.
And 13 plus 16 is 29 and minus 20. 29 minus
It's
20
not
is.
possible. It's not possible, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what we do here is then we will do one thing. X is equal to minus 1. Check kar lo. X is equal to minus 1.
Sir, no, sir, it's not coming. X
Yes.
is equal to minus 1 also.
Yes. You tell me any whatever the polynomial you tell me any random polynomial, or else you do one thing. We'll change the question again, no problem. Any polynomial you take, you frame the, I'm giving random question, we are not able to frame the question properly. See, we have to go with any question. As you said, I don't have R.D. Sharma, I would have gone for that. Okay, let's check this. Yes, I think this will be working out. Okay, let x is equal to 1. Let's, if x is equal to 1, check. 1 minus 4 minus 7 plus 11. Yes, 11 minus 11, 0. X is equal to 1 is satisfying here, isn't it, beta? So x minus 1 is a factor of this now. One
Yes,
factor
sir.
I got. One factor I got to know, which is that. What is that? X minus 1 is a factor.
One,
It is a
x
cubic
minus 1 is.
polynomial, right? Yes, it is a cubic polynomial. So you will be having total 3 roots. So first of all, what I have to do, I need to write 1 as it is. I'll be writing coefficients minus 4, minus 7, 10. So this will be as it is. I'll be writing beta. Okay. Okay. Now 1 into 1, how much? 1. Correct. Now adding these two, how much beta? Minus 3. Again 1 into minus 3, how much beta? Minus 3. Adding these two, how much? Minus 10. This into this, how much? Minus 10. Giving me 0. Now look at this. I'll be writing x square minus 3x minus 10. So how do you split this as now? Minus 5x plus 2x minus 10x. I think we got this same question we did in earlier. Same question we did. Again, we are doing the same question. Okay, no problem. Okay, so I think we did same question, no problem. 2 into x minus 5. Now x minus 5 here, x plus 2. So total these two polynomials, these two factors, and this is one factor. Okay, now let us give one more question, different question. Let me give. Check this question. 4x cube, 8x square plus 6x minus 12. Yes, check kar lo. Solve this. Tell me, let's see who is going to give the first answer. Factors of, yes, let's see who is going to give the first answer. Are you ready? Yes. Substitute x value 1. Satisfying. Substitute x value 1. 4 minus 8 plus 6.
No, sir.
12. Not satisfying. So x is equal to 1 is not going to be a factor. Then x is equal to minus 1. Not possible. X is equal to minus 1 is also not giving me 0. X is equal to 2. Yes.
So 2 gives.
2 gives
Yes,
me
sir.
0.
For 2 it's coming.
Yes. So for 2 it is coming. Let me write 2 here. So what I will be doing, beta? 4 minus 8, 6 minus 12. I wrote all the coefficients. What is the first step? To write this step as it is. 4. 2 4 how much, beta? 8. Adding these two, how much? 0. Now look at this here. 2 into 0, 0. Correct? So I'll be writing that 0 here. So adding these two again, how much? 6. Again 2 into 6, how much, beta? 12. Adding these two, how much? 0. Now look at this here. Now by using these three numbers, I'll be framing a quadratic equation. How? 4x square plus 0x plus 6. Okay. How do you factorize this? 4x square plus 6. That's it. How do you factorize this? That's it. Look at this here. How do you factorize 4x square plus 6?
Sir,
Yes, yes. Tell me.
2 common.
Taking 2 common, x square, so 2x square plus 3.
sir.
Yes.
3.
Tell me. Adding, subtracting something?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it
A
is,
square. So
no,
what can?
I found out the last answer.
So can we add and subtract 2? Can I do like this?
Sir,
Yes. Tell me.
we can like what I got the answer, sir. 2 into x minus 2 and then multiplied by 2x square plus 3.
I
We're
didn't.
taking 2 as common.
Yes, taking 2 as common. So x square, 2x square plus 3 I'll be getting. Okay. Now here.
And then after that, x minus 2. Multiply by x minus 2.
Multiply.
X minus 2 after that.
X minus 2.
Yes, so
Right?
just take 2 common, so then it will be 2x square plus 3, sir.
Yes, 2x plus 3. No. What
Yes,
I'm
sir,
After
that's
that,
it.
just make one more bracket. That just write x minus 2.
I didn't get you. Your voice is slow.
Sir, she's saying that another factor, sir, x minus 2, we have to multiply that one.
X minus 2.
Sir, like the answer is you have to multiply by x minus 2, right? It's also factor, 2 factors.
No. Here, this has 2 factors. This
No,
has two
sir,
factors.
the polynomial, the cubic polynomial has 3 factors, 2x
Yes,
squared
2
plus
is a 1
3 and then
factor.
x minus
Yes,
2.
2 is a 1 factor. Now 2x square plus 3 will be having 2 more factors. This will be having 2. This is a quadratic, right? Again.
No, sir, this won't have any 2 factors, sir.
No. Your voice is Shreyas, your voice is low. No, this is a quadratic, right? So this is a quadratic polynomial. So that will be having 2 factors. I'm saying quadratic will be having 2 only, right? 2 factors, 2 roots.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
Then I give the answer in the chat box, sir.
Now
Sir,
I can
the
hear you.
answer for the whole polynomial.
You're saying answer for the whole polynomial.
Sir, the
Yes.
answer for
Now
the
look at this. Yes, the answer for the whole
yes, sir,
polynomial.
for the whole.
1 second. Answer for the whole polynomial, you can simply write like this, no problem. Or else you can simply write like
Yes,
this.
sir, that's what I'm saying.
Or else you simply write like this. Nothing wrong with that. This is your factors. ऐसा भी लिख दो, कोई बात नहीं. Factors, therefore factors is equal to this.
So 2, if we take common, so then what I
Nothing
said in
wrong,
the chat
nothing
box,
wrong.
the
You can
answer,
still,
that is
yes.
the one.
You can write like that also. You can write like this also.
It can have 2 or 3 factors.
You can write this also, no problem. Anything is fine. But I would suggest to write as it is, no problem. Look at it here. This is 1 factor and this is 1 factor. Total. Look at this here. So from where you are getting 3 factors? Beta 1. This will be having 2. Yes. Nothing wrong with this. If you multiply these 2 again, you will be getting your original polynomial. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
That's how. Shall we solve one more question? Shall I give one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's see this time who is going to give the first answer.
So can we give the answer in the chat box, sir? Because like I won't be able to give answers. Like,
Yes, yes, yes. Please, please, please.
Like, my voice is low.
Yeah. Ashrita, are here, Ashrita?
Yes, sir.
Manogna, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Where is that? Hashvika. Are you able to understand Hashvika?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm not able to send my answer in chat box, but I got it, sir.
Yes. Look at this here.
Sir, I gave the answer, sir.
Yes, let's check. Very good. Look at this here.
Sir, it says that you're not in the meeting when I'm typing in the chat.
No problem. Look at this here. X is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 1. 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus 6. X is equal to 1 is not giving. Then which value is
Yes,
giving?
sir.
X,
X is one we can take, sir.
x is equal to x is equal to minus 1.
1.
X is equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir, x is equal to -1, and so
Yes,
it's
sir,
x plus 1. Sir,
Yes.
and then
Yes,
when you
that-
divide with this, you'll get x square plus minus 5x plus 6. So the
One second,
factors
one
are x
second,
minus 2.
one second. Okay, so I'll be writing this as it is. 1 here, this into this minus 1 minus 5 after adding these two. Again this into this how much? Plus 5 adding this to 6 minus 6 adding this to 0. Okay, now what is the quadratic equation? X square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, now factorizing this. Yes, these
Yes,
are the
sir,
two
I got
factors.
it
And
correct.
one more factor is what? Therefore x is x plus 1 into
X plus 1.
these are the factors.
Yes, sir, my answer is correct, sir.
Very good. Very good, Shreyasi. Very good. Good job. So, shall we solve? Shall we go for the next questions on polynomials?
Yes, sir.
Understood, guys?
Yes, sir, okay, sir.
Yes, sir, and then if you factor this, you'll get this answer.
Yes. Now, see here, and many of you were saying that. So, okay, look at this. We'll do one thing. You are saying by using long division method, right, Lalit? So x is equal to -1 I got, right? So
Yes, sir, I got it by long division only, sir.
okay,
Sir, I feel like this is faster long division.
no problem. No, you can do in that way also. Yes, look at it here, x square here. So x cube plus x square. So minus
And
minus 5x square minus plus x plus 6. Then here
yes,
minus
minus 5x.
5x
So
minus
plus 5x
square
square
minus 5x square minus 5x plus
plus 5x.
plus minus.
Sir, I find this little confusing, sir. Can you
Yes,
answer again,
plus
guys?
6 and then plus 6,
Plus,
sir. That's it.
one second.
Sir, and then then 2, 3.
Okay, yes, look at this. I got this question. This is what I got here. Look at this, x square minus 5x. Look at this. Same thing. Are we getting or not? Yes, check kar lo.
And sir, after split it, sir.
This quotient and this quotient same is or not? Yes, tell me, Shreyasi, you are saying something. Shreyasi, tell me.
No, sir, nothing, sir.
Yes, beta, what I am saying is the quotient whatever I got by using long division method, that quotient I'll be getting here by using synthetic method. Hope you got the point.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think you have to learn this method, like for the people who don't know, because like sometimes they might ask factorize this and what's the
Yes,
remainder.
factorization, division. Look at factorization by using synthetic method is very easy, beta. And if you want to factorize, you can divide. Just first of all, find out one factor, divide with that particular polynomial, you will get quotient. Then you factorize that. That is also correct. Shall we go for the next question?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir.
Someone has texted me. Who's this?
Sir, if you can scroll it down, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt in two sums while I was doing, sir. I have sent them to you. Can you just explain how to do them?
Definitely, no problem. Yes, guys, look at this here. Nitya has shared two questions. Nitya, I'll explain you those questions. Do not worry. But first of all, let us clear with our answer. Then we'll go for that. We'll solve step by step. We know that is somewhat bit advanced question. So we are in a basic stage only. No problem. After solving them, those questions with me. I'll be having those questions with me only. Don't worry. Probably in the next class we'll discuss why, because now let's focus on basic questions. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Why? Because that is bit advanced. You may not understand. Everyone may not understand now if I teach. So no problem.
So the last part, can you once show it, sir? That factor finding, sir.
Which
The
one?
last two. Yes, sir. That's one, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, next question. Okay. Next question, guys. Are you ready? Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
now let me write a question. Very, very good question. Let's see how many of you will this. Find the remainder based on remainder theorem, guys. Find the remainder. We are finding remainder here. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divisible by x minus a.
Sir, the first sum like which I
Sir,
have
the
sent,
answer
will
is
you
5A. Sir, the answer is 5A. Got
now
it.
once can you like go a little bit up? Sir, the first question which I asked, that one will you explain?
Yes, yes, beta. Will explain. That is not a big deal at all. We will go one by one. No problem. Is that is bit advanced. If I explain in front of everyone, everyone will get confused. I'll explain. Do not worry at all. I'll not be going anywhere. I'll definitely explain. Okay, Nitya.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, the answer is 5A, sir.
Yes,
I
5A.
already got
Very
it.
good. Very simple, beta. Look at it, sir. Find the remainder when you divisible by this. What you have to do?
Sir, x is equal to A.
X is equal to a. You have to substitute in a polynomial. That's it. Here given p of x is equal to what?
A cube minus A cube.
Cube minus A.
Sir, so A cube will go, and then 6 into A is 6A minus A is 5A. That's it. Very easy, sir.
Where they will go? Lalit.
No, sir. I mean A cube and A cube. If you multiply, yes, sir. Sir, it's A square, not A cube.
A square a cube
Yes,
minus
sir. A cube and A cube, that will go. Like, I mean, they'll cut off, and then 6A and 5A.
This is the answer.
Yes, the answer is 5A.
Next question, shall we go?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you getting confident?
Yes. Once again, sir. Can you explain it again?
See, beta, by using factor theorem, remainder theorem, we need to find out remainder, right? For finding remainder of any polynomial, what you have to do? We have to use remainder theorem. Look at this here. This is a polynomial given to you, okay? Is divisible by this one given to you. Then what I have to do? I have to substitute. I have to make x minus a equating with 0. So what do you get? X is equal to a, you will get. I'll be substituting this x value in the given polynomial. I'll be getting this 5a. Very simple.
Oh, okay, sir.
Any doubts? Ashvika, any doubts?
No.
Ashrita, any doubts?
Sir, can I note it down,
No,
sir?
no doubt, sir.
Yes. Next question. Check whether.
So like in place of you've given here x minus a, right? There can give a number and we have to solve it. That can give a question like that, no, sir?
Yes, yes. Look at it. Now, if x is equal to 2, then what you have to do? Substitute x is equal to 2 in the polynomial. That's it. Understood my point?
Okay.
We will solve it. No problem.
Yes, sir.
I'll give. If you want me to give that question, I'll give the question. Don't worry. Next, we'll solve this. Okay. Find the remainder. Look at this. Find the remainder. Find the remainder without division. The condition, check without division.
Yes, sir.
Is divisible by 2. See, you have to put your answer in chat box. If you do not know, please put a message called IDK. Find the remainder without division when x square plus 7x minus 11 is divisible by 3x minus 2.
Sir, I got the answer, but I can't put it in chat box, sir. It says that you're not in the meeting.
Why?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I'm trying for so long. I'm still trying, so it's not coming.
I'm in the meeting only. Then if I'm not in the meeting, how come I'm talking to you? Huh?
Sir, I think it's some glitch or something, sir.
Glitches, you made something. You removed me, Lalit.
No, sir, I didn't remove you.
Okay, no problem. If you solve, no problem. I'll tell the answer you check. All right. Yes, done. What is the answer, Shreyasi?
One, sir.
Not one. How come it is one, man?
Sir,
Shreyasi
I
didn't-
put a ID here, sir. Can you explain it, sir? This 3x minus 2.
Ashvika, Jasmita. What is the answer? Ayesha, Ayush,
Sir, I don't know
Lalita,
how to do.
Palak, Manogna, Zoya. What is the answer, Zoya? Ayush. No problem. Look at it. Very good, very good. Ashrita, Ayush, IDK, Shreyasi. No problem. I'll explain you. Yes.
Sir, I got 37/9, sir.
No. 1 second. Look at it. Let's check. See, beta, this is a polynomial given to you. Okay. This is a polynomial. Basically, what you have to do is divisible by this one given to you, right? First of all, let P of x is equal to x square plus 7x minus 11. So basically what you do here is, this is the whatever the divisor given to you, you have to equal to
Sir,
the
is it minus 11?
minus 11. That is minus 11 actually.
Sir, I thought that was minus 1. Yes, sir, I thought that is minus 1.
Okay, minus 11, that is 1. Look at it here. So you have to equate the divisor with the 0.
Sir, x will be equals to 1, sir.
What is x value? Look at it here. 3x is equal to 2. X value is going to be 2 by 3. Okay. So 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3 I'll be substituting in place of x. That's it. So 2 by 3 whole square plus 7 into
Yes, sir, 2 by 3. X is 2 by 3.
minus 11. So 4 by 20.
Yes, sir. 2 by 3
9,
after that, I thought that should be something else.
14 by 3 minus 11. Understood, beta? What is the LCM here?
So I got minus 53/9.
Yes. LCM is 9, right? So 4, 3, 14,
Yes,
3 is
sir.
how much? 14, 3 is how much?
Yes.
42, sir. 42. So 46 minus
42
99.
Minus
Minus 99.
99, correct?
9.
So
So
40,
99. So it's minus 53.
46 minus
9.
99
99 is minus 53/9. Yes, sir, I got it.
minus 53 by 9 is the right answer. Understood my point?
Sir, I actually thought that was 1. I didn't think that was 11.
No, it's fine. Understood? Clear?
Yes, I have noted down, sir. Wait.
You can note it down later, Shreyasi, no problem. Next question. Everyone do solve this question, guys. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a
Plus,
Zoya 47 by 4. Which answer? 47 by 4, 9. Wrong answer. Okay, guys, you take this question as homework. Take this question as homework, guys. Let me join.
wait a
the
minute,
next
sir.
class.
Wait a minute.
Yes, I have next class, beta, so let me join. Tell me whether it's a factor or not. See, check whether 7 plus 3x is
Taken,
a
sir.
factor of that or not.
Sir, no, sir.
No, it is not a factor. Very good, right answer. Shall we?
Yes, sir, it will come like something like minus 343/9 minus 49/3
Yes, if
something,
it is,
sir.
if you are not getting 0, other than 0, if you are getting any number, beta, in fact, that is the procedure to
It's
find out
not.
this question. Yeah.
It is not a factor of it.
Yes. What is
Sir,
the
that
answer
will
here?
be the reminder.
Yes. So that would be the reminder. If you are getting 0, then only it is a factor. So whatever the number you are getting, beta, that is a reminder. He is asking for factor.
The denominator will be 9 and the thing will be minus 343
Not 343.
minus something.
Not 343. Check. Okay.
No,
No problem.
no, sir, not 343. Minus 343, like minus some other number.
Yes. Minus 147. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 49 into 3 is 147. So then if you both minus, will be some like 500 something. So
Not 500, 490. Yeah. Minus 490 by
yes.
9. Minus 490
Yes,
by
sir,
9.
that's it.
Yes. So it is not a
Yes.
remainder beta. So substitute x value minus 3 by 7. Okay. What you have to do? How to check? X value minus 7 by 3. Substitute in this place. In this place, if you are getting equal to 0, that is a factor. If not equal to 0, not a factor. Not a factor. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus
Yes,
490.
sir.
Minus 490. Hashvika. No problem. So if it is equal to 0, factor beta. If it is not equal to 0, that is not a factor. That gives you reminder.
Yes, sir.
Hope you got the point. So let's
Yes.
meet in the next session.
Yes, sir.
Until then, goodbye. Hashvika,
Yes,
your
sir.
homework is what, beta? So you just go through the recordings. We'll discuss if you have any doubts. And Nityasri, we will solve your questions in the next class. Do not worry. Tomorrow's your exam would be on polynomials. So everyone kindly do solve on that. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you,
Have a
sir.
nice day.
You were saying something about the homework?
Not homework. Homework for Ashwika. I'll upload the homework. Don't worry. Homework I'll be putting in the chat box. I mean, WhatsApp. Check it out there. Okay. Thank you.